This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. The solutions shared here are based on common technical scenarios and may vary depending on device model, app version, or server condition. For official assistance, please contact the respective app support team. Today in this video, I will explain why Facebook Professional Dashboard insights are not showing on your post and why you are seeing the message. Come back tomorrow. Many Facebook users are confused when they open their professional dashboard and cannot see reach, engagement, or post performance data. If you are also facing this issue, then watch this video carefully because I will show you the possible reasons and solution to fix this problem, but not practical. This can be frustrating, especially for creators, page managers, and business owners who rely on these insights to track their content performance. Reasons for this problem. There can be several reasons why Facebook insights are not appearing. First reason. The post may be very new. Facebook analytics sometimes take time to process, so insights may not appear immediately after posting. Second reason, Facebook servers may be experiencing temporary delays. Sometimes Facebook system takes longer to update analytics data. Third reason, your Facebook application may be outdated. Older versions of the app sometimes create problems with dashboard features. Fourth reason, cache files or temporary data stored in the Facebook app can cause technical glitches. Fifth reason, internet connection problems or temporary account syncing issues can also prevent insights from loading properly. Solution. Step 1. Wait at least 24 hours after posting because Facebook Insights usually appear after some time once the system processes the data. Step 2. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and update the Facebook application to the latest version. Step 3. Clear cache. This removes temporary files that may cause errors. Step 4. Log out of your Facebook account and then log in again. This refreshes your account connection with Facebook servers. Step 5. Restart your phone and reopen the Facebook app. Then check the professional dashboard. Then post insights again. Step 6. Make sure you have a stable internet connection while checking the insights. After applying these methods, the Facebook Professional Dashboard Insights problem should be fixed and you should be able to see your post reach, engagement, and analytics normally. If the issue still continues, it may be a temporary Facebook server issue, and in that case the best solution is simply to wait until Facebook updates the analytics system.